Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to speak about hiccups. I'm talking about the severe hiccups. I get these severe hiccups where it lasts me about 3 days and it will not stop from morning till when I go to sleep. When I sleep, it stops, but 3 days straight, I get the hiccups and it's severe. Nothing works on me. Breathing into a paper bag, holding my breath, getting scared. None of those tactics work on me. The only thing, there's only two things that actually did work on me, and I'd like to tell you about them now. One of them, yesterday at lunch, I had beet juice. I'm sure any brand is fine, and it helped me stop my hiccups for about a half hour. The other way, which I'll explain, let's see if this works first. I'm hoping it doesn't come back. Oh, it came back. So the way I usually get these is anything with vinegar in it. If I eat pickles, Italian dressing, oil and vinegar on my salad, anything with vinegar in it, I start with the hiccups. I don't know if it's an acid reflux thing. I don't know what it is, but when I get it severe. It's even hard to breathe sometimes, and it's really difficult to fall asleep because the hiccups just go nonstop. They do stop when I fall asleep, but until then, it's such a pain, especially when I'm speaking to people. It wouldn't allow me to speak. The only way actually that's really worked on me is when I drink water upside down, and I'll explain. I have to not drink from the normal side of the glass, drink from the opposite side of the glass, the bottle, fill my mouth with water, and then on one shot, just swallow the water while I'm upside down, bent over upside down. And as I'm drinking it, I squeeze the bottle to force more water into my system. Now, sometimes water gets in my nose, and it literally feels like I'm drowning. When I do this with all the pressure in my head, and it stops the hiccups for about 15 to 30 minutes, and at this point I'll even take that. It's a horrible feeling when I do this method because it does really feel like I'm drowning, and it's not a comfortable feeling. It really is not. I'll show you guys the method right now. When I do this method, I always like to have a napkin on me because water gets everywhere, and I'll do it either outside or on the bathtub. So I'll go ahead and start filling my mouth up. It really is an uncomfortable feeling because water gets in my nose and it feels like I'm drowning, but all the pressure that's in my head actually stops the hiccups. See, as of now, I haven't hiccuped up since I've tried this, whereas it was coming every 3 seconds, and now it's stopped. So as you can see, my hiccups have stopped. Thank God for this method, because sometimes it gets difficult breathing and it gets difficult to fall asleep. So I'll do this method right before I fall asleep. Right now I used half a bottle, forced into my mouth and into my nose while I was bent over upside down. I hope that helps. I hope whoever uses this method, it helps. Otherwise, there really is no medication, no pill, nothing really to stop the hiccups. For me personally, this is the only method that really works. I've tried everything else. Nothing has worked. So good luck to everybody. Give me any comments that you'd like to speak about. I'd like to hear from everybody who gets severe hiccups.